Good morning all the students of class 2nd. How are you? Hope you all are very fit and fine. Okay, so let's start study chapter number 17. So it's time to do the exercise of chapter number 17. So all the students open your EVS notebook, take out your pencil and eraser, sharp your pencil nicely and write the heading chapter number 17. Chapter number 17, the name of the chapter, and your heading is new words. First we will write always the new words of the chapter. So your heading is new words. New words. Okay, so start writing with me with good handwriting. Number 1. Heavenly bodies. Number 2, universe. Universe. Number 3, solar energy. Number 4, solar electricity. Solar electricity. Number 5, water. Into vapor. Water into vapor. गैस में कन्वर्ट होना. Water vapor. Rocky. Rocky means चट्टाने. Number 7, rotation. घूमना. Axis. Earth always rotate on its axis. Axis means अपनी ही दूरी पे घूमना. Like a spin, like a top. Then number 9, पूर्णिमा. Number 10, अमावस्या. Not else. Yes, these all are your new words of the chapter. I am not in front of the board, so you can take the screenshot. Number 1, heavenly bodies, universe. Number 2, number 3, solar energy. Number 4, solar electricity. Number 5, water into vapor. Number 6, rocky. Number 7, rotation. Number 8, axis. Number 9, Purnima. And number 10, Amavasya. So these are the new words. Write fast, otherwise take the screenshot or pause the screen. Now I am going to rub it and we will do the next exercise of the chapter. This is your last chapter Okay. Now take out page number 98. Take out page number 98. Take the correct option. We will do take the correct option. Number 1. Which one is the main source of energy on the earth? Which one is the main source of energy on the earth? So star, moon and sun. So option C is the right answer. Sun is the main source of energy on earth. Number 2. Which one changes its shapes every day? Which one changes its shape every day? Which one shapes changes every day? Sun? No. Moon? No. Stars? No. Moon always change its shapes every day. So option A, moon is the right answer. Number 3, full moon is called what? Full moon is called, question you can write from your book also if you can't understand from board. Full moon is called what? Full moon is called Purnima. Dear students, your mammas, maximum numbers of mammas they have their fast on the occasion of Purnima when full moon is there. Mama is doing worship of full moon. So the answer is number B, Purnima. Purnima is the right answer. I am not in front of the board. Quickly write the answers. You no need to write, you have to only put tick mark in the book. So I don't think so you will take answer question number 1. Which one is the main source of solar energy on earth? Sun. Which changes its shape every day? Moon. Full moon is called Purnima. Hope you noted down. Now true false. Sun is a star. It's time to do true false. Number 1. The sun is a star. Question you can write from book also. So this statement is true. True. Sun एक star है. There are countless stars in the sky. There are countless stars in the sky. Yes, true. You have to write only true, false, true, false, true, false. Question you can write from book. Moon help us green plants to make their food. The moon help the green plant. The moon help the green plant to make food. So this statement also Wrong. Moonlight not help to make the food for plants. Sunlight help to make the food of plant. Food for plant. False. Now number 4, sun gives us heat and light. The sun gives us heat and light. Yes, true. Number 5, the moon gets light from the planets. False. The moon gets light from planets. False. Moon always gets light from sun. Moon don't have its own light. Whatever light sun gives to moon, it reflects from that. Moon don't have any light. Note down, true, false, true, false. I am not in front of the board. Number 1 वाला है, the sun is a star. True, TRUE, true. There are countless stars in the sky. आकाश में अनगिनत तारे हैं. True. The moon helps the green plant to make food. No. Moonlight is not helping plants to make food. The gives us heat and light. Sun gives us heat and light. True. The moon gets light from planets. No. False. Moon gets lights from sun. So, rubbing the board. Hope you note it down. Only one word you have to mention. TF, TF, TF. Nothing else have to do. Now, chalk is very dusty. I am fed up with the chalk. This matching you will do yourself. This is your homework. Nothing you have to do. There are 4 pictures: sun, moon, earth and sky. So you will match these. You will match these by yourself. Very easy. Complete the sentences. Exercise number D. Complete the sentences. Number D. Number D का 1. The part of the earth that faces the sun has the part of the earth that faces sun the sun has what? It has daytime. It has day. Number 2, the sun is made up of. The sun is made up of what? Made up of hot gases. Sun is made up of hot gases. Number 3, when the moon is full, it is called. When the moon is full, it is called. It is called what? Is it called Purnima? Is it called Purnima? Number 4. As the moon rotates, we see changing shapes of the the changing. We see the changing shapes of the moon. Only one word you have to underline. Whatever I underline the word, you have to write that word only. Rest of all the question is written already in the book. The part of the earth that faces the sun has day. The sun is made up of hot gases. When the moon is full, it is called Purnima. Full moon को पूर्णिमा कहते हैं. As the moon rotates, we see the changing shapes of the moon. Come on, write quickly. So question and answers are remain. There are 5 question and answers. Hope you noted down well. Now it's time to write question and answers. I will write only answer. You will write question from the book. Because this facility you have in your book. Answer these questions. Your heading is answer these question. Question number 1. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आपको किताब में से लिखना है. मैं सिर्फ आंसर लिख रही हूँ यहाँ पर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. आंसर 1. राइट 2 uses of the sun. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. आंसर नंबर 1. The sun helps the plant to grow. This is use number 1. And use number 2, sunlight helps in killing germs. The sunlight helps in killing germs. This is your answer number 1. Now question number 2 you will note from your book. Answer number 2 and writing why we are not able to see stars during daytime. Why we all are not able to see stars during daytime. दिन में हमें तारे क्यों नहीं दिखाई देते हैं? The sun is very bright star. The sun's bright light blocks out other stars. During daytime, the sun's bright light block out others stars. It blocks stars and it block out stars Note it down, these questions and the answers, and hope you noted down both the answers. Now it's time to rub the board. I am rubbing the board. And let's write question number 3. Let's see what is question number 3. Why is life not possible on the moon? It is asked in the question that why there is no life on the moon. So let's write question number 3. Question you will note from your book. I will write only answer. Why there is no life on moon? There is no life on the moon because it has no air, no oxygen, no water, which is there is no life on the moon. Moon word I forget to write. There is no life on the moon because necessary, which is necessary for human life. Question number 4. Name the Earth's nearest neighbor in the sky. What is question number 4? Question number 4. Name the Earth's nearest neighbor in the sky. What is asked in the question? Which is the nearest neighbor of Earth in the sky? पृथ्वी के पास सबसे नजदीक में कौन सा planet है? So the moon. Question number 4 you will note from book. Answer 4 I will write. The moon is the nearest neighbor. The moon is the nearest neighbor in the sky. Question number 5 you will note from book. Answer number 5 I am writing over here. Let's see what is question number 5. What is Amavasya? Amavasya क्या है? The day when moonlight is absent, that is called Amavasya. The day when moonlight is absent, called Amavasya. Called Amavasya. Write faster because here we are completing your syllabus of class 2. We already done all the chapters of EVS. Here today I am going to finish the syllabus of EVS in class 2. This is the last class and today we are finishing the chapter. Come on, take a quick screenshot. Otherwise pause the screen and write. Okay, now it's time to give you some information. Dear students, in term 2, after half yearly, whatever chapter we have completed, we have done, all these chapters will come in your annual exam. Right? Festivals are fun, uses of plants, animals that help us, travel time, water, air is everywhere, season, surface of the earth, the sun and the moon. This is your annual exam syllabus. All these chapters will come in your annual exam. है ना? National festival तो आई chapter 9 uses of plant, chapter 10 animal that help us, travel time, chapter 13 water, 14 air is everywhere, 15 season, 16 surface of the earth, 17 the sun and the moon. These chapters will come in your annual exam. So hope you will complete your notebook on time and preparing for your annual exam. So till then, bye bye, have a nice day. God bless you. Soon we will meet. Bye.